Welcome to Talking Trash, and today we're going to talk not about trash, but we're going to talk about energy or energy conservation. Now, we've all heard about what we can do in our own homes to conserve energy, right? We can, as we leave a room, we can shut off the light switch. That's a great thing. We can unplug appliances when we're not using them, such as toasters and microwaves, if that's what you want to do, or crock pots, things like that that you're not using, blenders, because those are all energy hogs. They can be zapping energy out of your circuit in your house even when you're not using them. Those are things that we can do. Other things that we can do, we can buy compact fluorescent bulbs, whether it's depending on what size you need, what type you need for a ceiling fan or for a lamp. Find the ones that work for you. And then there are regular fluorescent bulbs, the 4-foot tubes or the 8-foot tubes. Now there's all kinds of energy efficient ones, even better than the ones that were a few years ago. So check them out, and then just remember, when you are done using them and they've burned out, and they shouldn't be burning out for years and years, but when they do, make sure you dispose of them properly. Don't put them in the trash. That's not the proper disposal. Years ago it was, it isn't anymore. You need to bring them out to the household hazardous waste facility, or actually to the landfill, to the Becker County Transfer Station, and we'll take care of them for you. The 4-foot tubes, try that 3 times fast. The 4-foot tubes and the 8-foot tubes will take 10 per trip free for Becker County residents. Also, the compact fluorescent bulbs, look at your local hardware dealerships. They will help you. And the local big box stores, they also have take-back programs. So the thing that I'm really excited to share about you is another way that we can save energy. There is a rebate program out there for programmable thermostats. Has anybody heard of that before? Well, the Clean Energy Resource Teams, or CERTs as it's called, and Honeywell have joined together, and they are going to provide folks from now till the end of the year a rebate form, a rebate of $10. If you have, now how many people have these in their homes? You've seen these before? These are actually thermostats, old-time thermostats, that when you turn this, it turns your thermostat up and down, warms up your house or cools down your house. Well, the thing with this, and I kind of pulled it out here, is there's a little tiny vial here. It's got mercury in it. That's what turns the switch and makes it go one way or the other, is mercury. And this isn't the best thing to have in your house. When you're ready to get rid of this, then you want to switch that out with a programmable thermostat. There's actually thermostats that look like this, but have no mercury in them anymore. So check that out also at the store. But this one, because mercury can be highly toxic, if this got into a lake, could pollute a gigantic lake, a huge lake. So you don't want to get ones with mercury anymore. You want programmable. I'm going to reach down on the ground here. I have two different type of thermostats. They're both programmable. Honeywell and CERTs have joined together to give you a $10 rebate on a programmable thermostat that is, it's actually, if it's over $50, you get $10 back, a mail-in rebate. If you buy one that's programmable, under $50, you get $5 back. And this is what the rebate looks like. I'll give you the website that you can go in and download your own rebate form, and you can get either $5 or $10 back. It's a great deal. The great thing about this, with the programmable thermostats, the digital thermostats, is that you can actually program them so when you're not home, they'll turn on, they'll turn off, and you can save up to $200 a year depending on where you live. So go out and buy a programmable thermostat. Have fun, save energy.